The question says, given that 27 raised to power x plus 1 equals 9, find x. Okay, so what do we do? Solution. So for 27, okay, raised to power 1 over 1 plus x equals 9. So let us have 27 in this form. So we have 3 raised to power 3, still has 27. Okay, everything is power 1 plus x. Okay, so let's have it this way. Equals, so we can have 9 as 3 raised to power 2. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. So what do? We apply the exponent rule. Okay, and we have something like this. Okay, it seems as say a is power m times n. The inner power, we multiply the outer power. So we have this as a raised to power mn. So we apply this to this. We have 3 raised to power 3 times this. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 times x is 3x. Okay, equals 3 raised to power 2. Since we have the same base, so let's equate the power. We have x plus 3x. Okay, equals 2. So 3 plus 3x equals 2. So we can collect the like times. We have 3x equals 2 minus 3. Okay, for x to be 2 minus 3. So we have here 3x equals minus 1. And we divide both sides by 3. So the value of x is minus 1 over 3.